Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello judges, we are from SMA 1 Kalibungu with me Najwa, Sabrina, Misbah and my partner Sabrina and Naida. Today we're gonna present our sheet entitled Effectiveness of Hydrophobic Coating of Tar Leaf to Accelerate Water Rate on Glass Surface using Deep Coating and Spray Coating Techniques.
Based on data obtained from BMKG in 2022, on average, the Indonesian region receives normal annual rainfall of 2,000 mm, with special variation between 500 mm to 4,000 mm per year. Meanwhile, hydrophobic is a water-repellent property that is unable to withstand or accept the presence of water. Hydrophobic properties can occur if the water contact angle is in the range of 19 degrees to 118 degrees, so that the water repulsion becomes higher and causes dirt on the surface to be carried away by the water and rolled down. So, therefore, we have an innovation to make a tar leaf solution using deep coating and spray coating technique. The problem formulation in this research is, what is the process of making wax from tar leaf? Plus contact angle after being treated with tar leaf solution, FIR content of hydrophobic component of tar leaf, and the effectiveness of deep coating and spray coating technique in accelerating the rate of water on the glass surface. The tools and material we use in this research include tar leaf, 30% ethanol, and hexane, methanol, distilled water, sieve, oven, filter paper, magnetic stirrer, beaker glass, filter paper, thermometer, aspiration funnel, blender, and digital scales. In this study, there were 3 sample variations, namely sample 1 50 gram tar leaf, sample 2 70 gram tar leaf, and sample 3 100 gram tar leaf. The scheme in this research starts from collection of tools and materials, then making tar leaf extract, after which making tar leaf methanol of reaction, and a tar leaf solution is can produce hydrophobic components.
The process of making Haida, the first is making tar leaf simplicea, include collection of raw materials, namely tar leaf, then centrate, heating, blending, and weighing. The second is making tar leaf extract, include add ethanol 70%, then maceration for 5 days, then filter the first filter, then add ethanol 70%, then remaceration, after that evaporation, and so that the salt extract is obtained. The last is preparation of methanol fraction, include add methanol, aqueous, and hexane, and separation of N-hexane. We carry out the deep coating process and spray coating process. The spray coating process include prepared glass heated to 250 degrees Celsius at 30 minutes, and then spray distance more or less 45 degrees, and then rinse and dry. Meanwhile, for the deep coating process include prepared glass soaked in tar leaf for 6 hours, and then rinse and dry. Fourier transformed infrared or FIR test aims to determine clusters the function of tar leaf extract, uses vibration of atomic bonds at wave number 4000 to 500 per centimeters via RRS.
Meanwhile, that angle measures the weighting of a solid by a liquid that does not match the material being tested.
This is the result of FIR test for sample A1, A2, and A3, and this is the contact angle test for deep coating and spray coating technique. The FIR test reviewed based on the tar leaf extract. The best sample is the third sample with a wavelength according to the functional group needed for make hydrophobic coating. And then for contact angle test, the best sample is the deep coating technique with concentration 50% and average angle at 92.84 degree and can be said hydrophobic, cause have contact angle more than 90 degree. Then, for mold growth test for 7 days, the deep coating technique with concentration 50% is the best. It has very minimal fungal growth compared with positive control with given another treatment and negative control without given any treatment.
The conclusion in the research are, the process of making Haida includes collection of tools and materials, making the simplicea of tar leaf, making the extract of the tar leaf, making methanol fraction of tar leaf. After that, the content of wax solution on tar leaf and accelerating water rate on the glass surface contains functional groups OH, CH, CC, SiO, SiO-Si, SiOH, and SiC. The functional groups of SiC was formed on the sample 3 sample that contain lots of tar leaf extract which are needed to make hydrophobic compound. Then, after testing on the hydrophobic layers with two techniques, namely dip coating and spray coating, with three solution compounds of 13, 14, and 15%, it was found that the effectiveness of the effect surface tension wax was more effective using dip coating with contact angle 92.184 with 15% solution that can be said as hydrophobic, as well as the effectiveness of glass coating with dip coating is more effective to create hydrophobic compounds. It has more than 19 degrees compared to the spray coating with less than 19 degrees.
The recommendation in this research is that it is hoped that in future research we can increase sample variation and then socialize sterile products that produce sterile products by supporting the abundant availability of raw materials in our environment. The following is the Heikki license for sterile products with number 00015832771, and here are the results of sterile products. That's all we can convey. Thank you, judges. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.